Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, starting in the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. This is your geography teacher Khushbu Naz, and I welcome my dear students in the second round of EPSEX online support program. Today we are starting a new lesson, that is people and places around the world, Spain. Firstly, I'll be sharing some interesting facts about Spain. Whenever we think about Spain, the first thing that comes in our mind is bullfighting. So Spain is famous for bullfighting. Number 2, it's the world's largest producer of olive oil. Number 3, Spain has 44 UNESCO World Heritage Sites that attracts huge number of tourists from around the world. Number 4, most diverse cultures are present in Spain. Number 5, it has more than 8,000 kilometers of beaches. Starting with the location of Spain, so this is the world map. As we move towards the Europe and towards the southeastern part of Europe, you can see the highlighted region with red color. So this is Spain, and the flag of Spain is also over here. So all of these countries which are highlighted with the different colors, so these countries are the part of Europe. And if we talk about Spain, so Spain lies in the southwestern part of Europe in an Iberian Peninsula, as it is highlighted with the red box. If we talk about neighboring areas of Spain, when we move towards the north, there lies the Bay of Biscay and two countries, France and Andorra. Towards the west, Portugal is present. When we move towards the south, a country of Morocco is present, and it is separated by Strait of Gibraltar. Two seas are neighboring Spain on eastern side, Balearic Sea and Mediterranean Sea. If we talk about Spain, so the area of Spain is 505,990 square kilometer. It is the fourth largest country in a European continent. If we talk about the capital of Spain, so it's Madrid, and it is also the most populous city of Spain. Second one is Barcelona, and third one is Valencia. In this map, you can see the black dots. These black dots are representing the major cities of Spain. As you can see, Barcelona, Madrid, Valencia. Whereas the colored regions that are represented by different colors, so they are the 17 regions of Spain. For example, with a darker green shade of green, Andalusia is over here. As you can see, it is present over here. Second one is Catalonia. So Catalonia is represented with orange color, and third one is with a light green color, that is Madrid. Coming towards the weather in Spain, so there are three different climatic zones in Spain due to its huge extent. As you can see, the huge extent of Spain. So the three types of climates are present in Spain. Number 1 is Mediterranean climate, which is represented by yellow color on map, and you can see whole of this region as well as this region is affected by Mediterranean climate because Mediterranean Sea is present over here. So it is characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. On Mediterranean coast, climate is moderate and rain occurs in summers, springs and autumn. Whereas inland, if we move towards the inland, so the temperature over there is hot and rainfall decreases. The second zone is called continental zone, or the area that is influenced by the continental climate. So that particular area is the vast central plateau of Meseta, and it experiences hot dry summers and cold winters. Rain generally falls in spring and autumn. The third climatic zone is the maritime climatic zone, which is represented on the map with the green color, and over here it is mentioned as oceanic climate, which is also known as the maritime climate, and it is at the north of Cantabrian mountain range, that is in Basque Country, Cantabria. As you can see, this blue color represents the Cantabrian mountains. And this climate also influences Asturias and Galicia. Other than that, the weather over there is cool with cool summers and mild winters. The weather is often cloudy with a frequent rainfall. So through this map, you can clearly see that the Spain is divided into three major climatic zones. Number 1, Mediterranean. Number 2, continental. And number 3, the maritime zone. At the end, you have to do assignment in this week. Firstly, you have to write the meaning of 7 difficult words. The second assignment is using internet, find out the varied landscape of Spain. Refer to Surf IT box on page number 60. Use the website given in blue and keep the findings in the folder for the further assessment. The written work that you have to do is, you have to write the answer. What is the capital of Spain? So I have taught you earlier, it's Madrid. So where is the most of the population concentrated? We have discussed this also. You have to write the answers of these questions. Then you have to write what is the average temperature and rainfall in Barcelona and Madrid. Take help from internet and make the tables of temperature and rainfall on loose sheet. At the end, I would like to say gracias in Spanish and thank you for watching my video. Allah